What's up fam, my name is Annie J and I'm back with another banger video. So today we're going to be talking about business you can and you should start in 2022 that only involves your phone, your data or your laptop. How nice. And the best part of it is I'm not here to tell you businesses you should start with 10 million, 100 million. No, it involves little or no capital. So today I'm also going to be linking down handles in which you could go and learn these services, these businesses for free or just a little token from them. So with that being said, I would like us to get into today's video. But before we get into today's video, I just want to shout out to two people that have always been with me, that watch my channel, that make comment on every video. You guys, I love and appreciate you guys are real MVP. So I want to give a shout out to Emmy Kings. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting on literally every video I have made. You're the real MVP, and when I blow, I will remember you always for being my day one. And thank you to Emi Lomo, Temitope. She's my friend. She's just been so supportive. I love you, girl. And she has her own channel which is new, so you guys should please go and subscribe to her channel, follow her, and expect banger videos because she know they disappoint. So with that being said, let's get into today's video. So number one, we have cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has made a lot of billionaires but has also wrecked people. So that's why I said I'll be linking down handles in which you could go and learn, because such businesses like this, you need to learn, you need to know what you're doing. So if you want to be successful from crypto, you've been looking for where to learn crypto, you don't know what to do with crypto, I am here to tell you about Danny Crypto on Twitter. And one thing I will let you guys know is this is not a paid video, it's not sponsored, nobody is telling me to do or to say any of these things. I just feel it's nice to help you guys out. So go and check out Danny Crypto on Twitter. I'll be linking down his handle below. He's so good with it, and he also has a Telegram. It has a Telegram platform in which people that are learning, people that are new to it can join. He also teaches. He has a YouTube channel that I'll also be linking down. He has a YouTube channel where he teaches people, and the good part about his Telegram group is he calls straight. I don't know how to put it, but he comes and he suggests new coins, and he's not alone, he also with his team. So they suggest new coins that have prospects in doing well in the market, and you might want to do that, or you might want to take it, or you might want to leave it, but whatever it is, he's good, and I've been following him for a while, so I won't be recommending who is not good or what is not good to you guys. So Danny Crypto is one you should follow in the crypto industries. As I know more people, I'll get to tell you guys, but I cannot tell you guys people I don't really know of. So Danny Crypto, I follow him on Twitter. You can also join his Telegram page. The second one is drop shipping. Yeah, this drop shipping is mostly and mainly good for people that don't have money but want to do business, and probably you're not seeing money in the nearest future, but you really want to do business. So how it works is, let's say I have a work in the store. You could come and meet me. Like, I don't have money but I have the customers, so I could tell you, okay, what you do is you post all these things online. Any order you get from it, you come and meet me, you bring the money, I'm going to give you, you're going to ship it to your customer. So you see, without having goods on ground, you've made like an extra 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 from it. So my girl Tomiwa is also very good. She does importation, she does drop shipping. I'll be leaving her YouTube link in the description box. You guys should check it out. I'll also be leaving her Instagram handle, so you guys go and hit her up, tell her to teach you, tell her that it's from me, she's going to do it for you guys. Tell her to teach you, tell her to show you the way. And you can also dropship from her because she owns her bag store, which I'm also going to be linking the handle below. So you guys just go there. If you don't have money but you really want to go into the business world, just go hit up Tomiwa and tell her that, okay, I watched Annie J's video and she said we can meet you for dropshipping and everything importation. She's going to take you guys through. Number 3 is Forex. Yeah, Forex is there's a lot of speculations about Forex. A lot of people say Forex is gambling, but to me personally, Forex is not gambling, because I've been doing Forex for a while, and when I lost my money, I thought it was actually gambling until I was able to learn and relearn, unlearn, relearn, learn and learn. Forex is all about learning. You have to know what is right. You have to know when to enter. You don't just enter the market because somebody is entering or because you see the candles going down, and then when it starts coming up immediately you enter. You say, oh, village people has attacked again. No, you have to be really good with forex. You have to know your risk management, you have to know your strategy, you have to have a very good strategy before you do forex. So that is why I said I'm going to be linking you guys with businesses, but you have to learn first, so that you don't come back and say, oh, Annie J, the businesses you told me about, I lost my money, something like that. No. And I'm also a forex trader. I've been trading forex since 2019, and just like I said earlier, I lost a lot of my money until I knew that forex is not about gambling and it's not a get rich quick scheme. You have to learn. It's a process you have to take, and if you're willing to take that process, you know what you're doing, then you're going to be successful. But if you just want something that is going to take your $5 to $500 in one night, please don't go for forex. Just look for something else to do. But if you're really interested in slow gradual growth, then forex is for you. So if you're really interested in learning forex, you could go and subscribe to ICT Traders on YouTube here, and Rock FX Traders, Rock FX Academy here, something like that. I'm going to be linking them down in the description box. They are so good. They're my mentors. I learn from them every time I watch their videos. They have profitable schemes, and if you are not able to really learn directly from them, you can hit me up on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, and I'm here for you guys, so that you can tell me the aspect you're having issues or what you want me to put you through, and I'll be glad to do it for free. I'm not collecting any money. So if you need any aspect, you need anything in forex, something is confusing you, something is bothering you, you keep entering trades and losing them, just hit me up, or you subscribe to ICT Forex Traders and Rock FX Traders on YouTube, and you can get probably all your answers, if not all, but majorly some. You have to take away greed. That's one thing in forex. You might have the best strategy, the most profitable, whatever. If you're not ready to take out greed, and then you're not ready to self-discipline yourself, you're not going to be successful. I don't know, my palm has been itching me. Is it that more money is coming or what? More money, they say. So if you're not ready to be self-disciplined, take out greed and follow your strategies well, your risk management, then I'm sorry, just forget about forex. Just go and do something else. But if you're ready to do that, you've made up your mind, you've lost a lot of times, you want to be profitable, just do as I say, hit me up or go and subscribe to their channel. So number 4, we're going to be talking about digital marketing. Digital marketing is basically selling things online, like selling online products online to people who need the services. So if you know you're good at selling things online, just hit up Tony Omotusho on Twitter. He's really good, and he's one of the managers of Expatriates. I don't know, you might have heard that, but just imagine sitting there in the comfort of your house with your phone and your data, and you're making over 50,000 naira per month. That is just as a side hustle. So that's so good. So that's why I advise you guys, if you really know you're good and you're passionate about digital marketing, you could go into digital marketing. And if you don't get what you want from Tayo, you can also hit me up. I have a friend on a personal ground that is into Expatriate, is into digital marketing, is into affiliate marketing. So you could hit him up. You could hit me up, and then I'm going to hit him up and then connect you guys, so that you can learn from him directly and make cool cash. Like some YouTubers even include affiliate links in their description box, and then whenever you click on that link, it becomes money for them. Like, the world is so crazy now, how you can just make a lot of money basically just with your phone and your data. And that's why I thought it's so nice to put you guys on, because we all need this kind of thing. Like, who doesn't want to make money? Who doesn't want to have 5-6 different incomes, and they're all cashing out real sweet? If you want is product design / coding / UI UX, like basically just the tech work, like you want to go into the tech industry, you want to be a tech bro, tech sis, you want to make money from the comfort of your home and in millions. Like, you know what I mean by good millions? Like, a lot of people in Nigeria are making money in dollars from tech. A lot of people are here in Nigeria, you see them in your daily Nigerians, but they're working with companies abroad, and it's so like so crazy. So if you really want to become a tech bro, just go to Twitter, follow Agba Akin. The good part of it is that he's teaching all this for free. He's basically the first person that I see that is so passionate about teaching people that are not paying him any money, because the way he follows his students up, he gives them exam, he follows them up so well. I'm surprised. I really am. So just go to Twitter, follow him up and all that. And this is the end of this video. Yeah, this is the end of this video. So if you're here to this point, let's talk about our MiFi giveaway. So I'll be giving out, just like I said in the other video, I'll be giving out an Airtel MiFi. Yeah, I'll be giving out an Airtel MiFi that can just help somebody. Okay, you have a phone, you don't have data, you don't have money to get data, or you just want to win it because you've been a constant follower of my channel. So what you have to do is, when you watch this video, just comment below what the field you want to go into, like the field you really want to go into. Just comment below the field you want to go into, why you want to go into that field and all that. And if I see your comments so convincing, I will definitely give you the MiFi, and there are more to come. So if I see more than one people that are convincing me why they really need this for MiFi, and don't forget, you must be a subscriber. Yeah, so if I see more than one person that need this MiFi, I'm ready to give away as much as I see. So that's all for this video. Thank you for sticking with me. But before you go, if you're here to this point and you want me to know you watch this video till the end, comment Riley. Just write Riley below. I know you actually watched this video till the end, and I appreciate you all for sticking by me, for watching my videos to the end. And every I love you guys. Peace.